Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me to introduce myself. My name is Gusfira Fatin Hamam Adelia from class 441D01 with student identification number 44241429. In this video, I want to complete my English assignment about giving an opinion and explaining its presentation material with the teaching lecturer Mr. Herlin. I would like to give my opinion about smoking on campus. In my opinion, the ban on smoking in campus areas is absolutely correct because smoking has harmful effect on health. It can cause lung inflammation, increase the risk of cancer, lead to shortness of breath, dental and oral diseases, and most dangerously, it can result in death due to the toxin of chemicals, including toxic substances contained in cigarettes. It is not only active smokers who are affected, but also those who inhale secondhand smoke, commonly known as passive smokers, are also infected. Moreover, smoking can interfere with the learning process because the nicotine in cigarettes makes it difficult for smokers to concentrate. If someone wants to smoke, it is better not to do so in campus areas. It harms many people. With the policy beginning smoking in campus, a comfortable environment can be created, and it can also protect non-smokers in the area. That's all for my opinion about smoking on campus. Smoking can kill you, so why smoke? And now, I will presentation material about simple present tense. Definition. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is the tense used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or commonly in the present. Present in simple present tense means the present, then simple means simple, and then tense is the verb form according to the time period used. When is present tense used? Present tense is used when one wants to express an event or a general fact that is happening right now. In addition, simple present tense is also used in conditional sentence type 0 and conditional sentence type 1, sentence patterns followed by simple future tense. Simple present tense formula. In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 s plus complement for positive sentence with a verbal pattern. If the pattern is not nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. Nominal simple present tense. How to make a simple present tense sentence? Plus subject plus to be plus complement means subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Question: to be plus subject plus complement. Example of simple present tense with nominal sentence patterns. Plus I'm an international school student means she is not an international school student. She is not a student. Question: is he an international school student? Verbal simple present tense. The formula plus means question of the simple present tense for verbal patterns is plus subject plus verb 1 s plus complement means subject plus do or does not plus verb 1 plus complement. Question: do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. In accordance with the previous discussion in verbal sentence, there is no need to add to be after the subject because the predicate is the verb. Positive affirmative simple present tense. Positive affirmative simple present tense, just like nominal verbal sentence, also have positive forms as we discussed earlier. Example of simple present tense sentence: I live in Jakarta. He lives in Jakarta. Negative simple present tense. For the negative and interrogative parts of the sentence, use do or do not and does not. Example: I don't live in Bandung. She doesn't live in Bandung. Hey, why doesn't it live? How come it doesn't live? Yeah, because the word doesn't already included the addition of s, so there's no need to add it to the verb part. Sample present question interrogative. In the question sentence pattern, it is separated into two parts, namely, yes or no question, do I work, does he work? As the name of the type, yes or no question, so you only need to answer the question above with yes, I do, yes, I work, yes, he does, yes, he works. What are the examples of simple present tense? Positive sentence. 1. She wants to be a doctor. 2. Cows eat grass. 3. They speak English at the office. 4. He likes bananas. 5. They play basketball every morning. Negative sentence. 1. They don't have any money. 2. Lala doesn't see Peter eat in the class. 3. My best friend doesn't love you. 4. You don't listen to me. 5. California is not in United Kingdom. Interrogative sentence question sentence. 1. Do they talk a lot? 2. Does he play tennis? 3. Does your father drink coffee? 4. Where does he lunch? 5. Does he ride the motorcycle? Characteristic of simple present tense sentence. What are the characteristics of simple present tense sentence? 1. Use a verb in its base form or infinitive or a familiar irregular verb. Example: I play soccer every weekend. Play is the verb in its base form. 2. Use the auxiliary verb do or does for verbal sentence in the negative and interrogative forms. Example: she doesn't eat meat. Doesn't, does not. Auxiliary verb in negative form for the subject she. Do you like chocolate? Do is auxiliary for question with the subject you. 3. In the present tense, there are usually adverbs of time such as always, usually, often, seldom, rarely, never, every day, week, month, year. Example: I always drink coffee in the morning. Function and use of simple present tense. 1. General truth or generalization of fact. The example sentences are: the earth revolves around the sun. 2. Expressing something that keeps happening over and over again. Example: we go to school by bus every morning. 3. Express feeling and emotion. Example sentence: feelings: I am sad to hear your bad news. Emotion: I always thankful because I have a great best friend. 4. The schedule even in the near future or familiar with future conditions. For example, the train departs at 8 a.m. 5. Comment or interaction. For example, draw pattern or use fingerprint to unlock. That's all my presentation about simple present tense. Thank you for your attention.